here, behind. Okay, Kuya, stay here. Come on. Stay here. Here, stay here. Okay, Mommy and Daddy's here. Okay, Tito and Tita, please sing with us, okay? Are you ready to sing?
Yes! Have your hand like this. Put on your chest. Handa awit. Ayan.
Ang good boy, yung birthday boy lang ha. Okay, the whole world, this one is the birthday boy, okay? Oh. Okay. We're live on ABS-CBN Channel 7, GMA Channel 2, Animal Planet, Discovery Channel. Okay, Arira, Surya, Tutuban, Paklaran. Okay. Are you ready to sing? Excuse me. Okay. Ready? Everybody sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
One more time, clap your hands, everybody! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, let's light up again! Sapa? Okay, Pio? One more time before you blow. Ayan po mga puso ko. Sige ako. Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you! Okay, we have wish coming from Mommy and Daddy. Let's listen. Ano kaya ang wish ni Mommy? Mommy, pasok.
Pio, we wish you will continue to grow up to be a good boy, obedient. You should be obedient and kind and respectful to other people. We will continue to pray for your good health always and your safety, and that you will grow up to be a God-loving kid.
Ano naman kaya ang wish ni Daddy? Daddy, labas, pasok.
Sing. Happy face. No, and I wish that you'll continue to have fun going to school, going to many activities like Wushu, our church community activities, and also attending birthday parties like this. Thank you for coming.
Okay, let's have a picture with Pio. All Pio's friend, come on, have a picture with him. Okay, kasama si Mommy and Daddy, syempre. Okay, look at the video. Look at the camera, kids. Okay. Okay.